the program that puts $10,000 in the hands of seniors to do repairs in their homes is called the Section 504 Home Repair Program. It's run by the USDA Rural Development, and it comes out of the Housing Act of 1949. It is not new. It is not a pilot like the one I just talked about. It is not waiting on anybody. And as of today, the application window says open, and applications are taken year-round. Now, two pieces into it. The loan. You can get up to $40,000 for very low-income homeowners to repair, improve, or modernize their home. The term is 20 years. The interest is fixed at 1%. You heard that right, 1%. I want you to sit with that, because if you have been quoted 12% on a home equity loan or line to fix a furnace, this is a different universe. And then there's the grant portion of it. And the grant, this is the one that I've been talking about earlier. If you are 62 or older and very low income, and you get a grant of up to $10,000 to remove health and safety hazards from your home. It is a grant. You don't have to pay it back. And if your home was damaged in a presidentially declared disaster area, that goes up to $15,000. You can stack them up. The loan plus the grant will give you up to $50,000 in total assistance, $55,000 in the disaster area. Now, the catches, and I'm going to give them to you before somebody puts them in the comments, because you should hear the hard part from me. Catch number one, your home has to be in a USDA eligible rural area. And before you tune out, rural by USDA definition is a lot more generous than you think. Plenty of small towns and outer ring suburbs qualify, so don't rule yourself out of this yet. You check it by typing your actual street address into the USDA eligibility site, so don't assume anything. I want you to go check it yourself. Catch number two, if you take the grant and then sell the house in less than 3 years, you have to pay the money back. So this money is for your home you intend to stay in, then go for it. If you are planning to sell next spring, this is not the program for you. They want the program to benefit people who want to stay in their home. They have safety and health hazards, and they want to get things fixed so that it will make the home safer and more comfortable to live in. And two more conditions. If you have to own the home and live in it, right? As I've just said, you have to own the home and live in it, and you have to be unable to get affordable credit somewhere else, which is at 1%. Most people qualify on income already are. And one thing on the grant, it has to be used to remove health and safety hazards, which I think for a lot of older adults, it's not going to be hard to find that in your house. So a failing furnace, bad wiring, a leaking roof, a bathroom you can't safely use, those are the conversation. A new kitchen, however, is not. So let me be clear about that. How do you start? You apply through your local USDA Rural Development Office year-round, and you talk to a home loan specialist there. Not a website form, not a call center, a real person in your area. Door number two, and this one is not the rural requirement we were talking about. This one is the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program and its sister program, weatherization. Most people think the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program is only a check towards the heating bill. It is more than that. Weatherization pays for insulation, air sealing, heating system repair, and in many cases, a heating system replacement, plus a safety inspection free. So, how do you qualify? Federal rule states that your income cannot be no more than 150% of the federal poverty level. And I can tell you, a lot of seniors qualify, or 60% of the state median income, whichever is greater. And they can't, basically, if you think about it, if you are making about $1,500 to $2,000 in Social Security benefits, you should look into this program, because it may get you money to fix a lot when it comes to energy efficiency in your house. And here's the piece for this audience. Household with somebody 60 or older or somebody that's disabled often get priority when it comes to this application. You go to the front of the line. In many states, if you are on SSI, SNAP, you may qualify automatically. Door number 3, because I told you I'm going to give you 3 doors, right? And this is the one I want you to use even if you do nothing else today. Your area agency on aging. Every county in this country has one. They know which local repair programs actually have money right now. City programs, county programs, non-profit programs, church programs. The ones that never make the news. And a lot of them will take your application over the phone or by mail if you are older or disabled. And this is pure gold. Area agency on aging are the places you go to find the money that is available right now. So do not sleep on that. So call them and it will be worth that phone call for you. So let's put everything together. The new repair program is a pilot. It is real. It is well designed. It is small. But I expect that once it starts year 1, year 2, and becomes successful or proves to be successful, watch Congress make a lot of noise about expanding it. Meanwhile, while we wait for this to roll out, if you are 62 or older and own your home, check your address on the USDA eligibility site today and ask about this Section 504 grants up to $10,000, and you don't pay it back if you stay in the home 3 years. So call your area agency on aging this week and ask about weatherization while you are on the phone. That is the difference between waiting on a headline and getting your roof fixed. Now, every source I use in this description, the section number, the funding line, the USDA page, all of it is available. You can check my work because I want you to. And my Social Security Playbook comes out on August the 19th. I want you to text the word book to 1-888-459-8182 and tell me you want to get on the list to be notified when this comes out. And one last thing. Somebody you know has been putting off a repair they can't afford and has no idea that $10,000 grants exist. Send this video to them, the whole video, because it might just be the thing they need to get that roof or that home repair done. I am Kwame. No panic, no politics, just clarity, and I'll see you.